Congratulations on finishing the first part of the course. In the first part of the course, you worked on narrative writing, storytelling writing. You wrote a short bio in which you developed a single trait about yourself. You wrote a descriptive paper where you described a scene to make one significant single impression come from that by your use of details. You wrote a dialogue where you tried to create a single effect by the dialogue and description you used in that. And you finished the first part of the course by writing a narrative paper, a remembered event paper where you used all of those skills of description and dialogue to remember an event in your life and to describe that and to present it to create that single impression, that significant event. The second part of the course, as you just saw with the opening credits, you're going to move into creating a position. The first paper you're going to write that's due at the end of the first 2 weeks of this course is a star colony essay. Now, the star colony is a fictional exercise I've made up in which you are asked to choose people to go to another planet, to start a colony all over again. And in the discussion, you're asked to choose 7 people, and who would go and 3 who would not go. And that's always an interesting exercise to see who you would choose and who you would not choose. But in the paper itself, it's going to be a 5-paragraph essay, the introduction and 3 reasons to support your thesis in the introduction, followed by a conclusion that contains a counter-argument. You are going to argue either for or against only one person to go to the star colony. So take some time, look over the list of possible candidates to populate this new colony, participate in the discussion, and then we are going to continue to follow the writing process. You'll have invention exercises for the star colony. You'll have a rough draft with feedback that you get and give to your fellow students, and then the final copy to me. The second paper is called The Sister-in-Law from Hell, another fictional story I've made up about a sister-in-law, and you have the power to put her in jail or not put her in jail. When you read her offenses, you may think putting her in jail is a good thing, but you'll argue either for or against whether or not she'll be in jail. Again, you'll have pre-writing, rough draft, feedback, final copy following the writing process. The final paper in this course is where you choose your own controversial topic to state a position and defend. Now, you have to use research in this final paper, and we'll talk about how to use the resource of the Kansas Community Library to support your position. There are any number of controversial events that you can choose from, but the key is to use research to support your opinion. We'll talk more about that as we get there, but right now I wanted to welcome you to the second half of the course and to introduce you to the star colony essay and to give you a preview of what's to come. I look forward to continuing to work and read your writing. Let me know if I can help you in any way.